everybody. Welcome to this windy day. Okay, see if the minnows are biting. Tilly, you're scaring me. I'm feeling a lot better. I had COVID and it got me pretty good. I was really sick. Not as sick as some people, obviously, I'm alive and kicking, and I'm better. Hi, minnows. Hi, baby. Y'all are little guys. So it's very, very windy out here. It's real windy. Look at this big girl. I call her my ottoman. Are you the ottoman? Are you Granny's little couch? Look how big this girl is. Right, baby. Right, Rose. Hello, faster. Capone? Coco, stop sneezing on people. It's rude. It's rude. Turn the other way. You be spreading COVID on me. Y'all are all sneezing. Stop it.